Your council tax helps to fund the everyday services which we all rely on, from schools to local libraries and social care to street cleaning. These are the largest and most important local services provided for communities. Even if you don't use these services, paying your share means that you're contributing to your community. Did you know that council tax makes up around a third of local council budgets, alongside grants from the Welsh Government and business rates income? If you're struggling to pay your council tax bill, you can check if you're eligible for a discount or reduction here. We are updating this essential tax to create a system that better reflects and supports the Wales of today.